Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I am very sorry that I've not been posting some video for the past weeks because it's summer vacation and I've been spending it somewhere else, so I'm really sorry. So today I'm gonna make slime. So it's really easy. We need only 2 ingredients and 2 things, and also this is a very highly requested video from my friends, so this is for you guys. So let's start with this video. Before that, let me show you what you need, the ingredients. First, the 2 things that you need is a spoon and a bowl. And then the 2 ingredients that we need are this camel paste. Please don't use the coarse one, it will make it worse. And the second one is this glue. Use color glue, not the white glue. It may make it watery, so don't use that. So I'm going to use this glue. 15 of them. So this is a lot. I don't know which color is going to come out, but let's hope for the best. I think light green. Okay, so let's get on with this video. First, you keep the spoon here just for now. Now, let's put the glue. Wow, this color is so great, guys. Okay, it's coming out so hardly. So horrible sound. So let me show you the color. It's blue color. It's so great. Like, see. Okay, so let's put all of these glues now. So I've put in all the glues, and this is the last one. So oh no! So let's get started. Oh my god, this is so much, you guys. Okay, so guys, I have put in all the glue. It looks very like bad. I don't know what is going to come, so let's add our camel paste. It's gonna be so. Oh no, what is this? Okay, so it's new, so it's coming out like this, but don't worry. I put it here. I'm not gonna use this. I'm gonna use the whole. Wow. Oh no, there was so many. Oh my god. Oh, too much. But I don't know. Okay, I think we're gonna need more. God, oh no, my goodness, it's turning into slime. So let's add more, cause we need slime though. Oh no. Okay, so I think this bottle is finished. Oh no, this is finished. Let's get with the next bottle. I told you we may need 2 because I'm making a huge. This color is so bad. Okay, so I put in glue. Okay. Oh my god, guys, the color is really bad, so I'm just gonna keep on mixing. So guys, this color is turning very bad, but it looks good. It's turning into slime. Okay, I'm going to mix it once because the camel paste is, I finished 2 bottles already. Let's get on with this video. Sorry for that, because like when I make slime, I love slime. Okay, I think it's done. Let's use it with our hands now. And guys, wash your hands properly after making slime. Okay. It's still sticky though, but that's okay. Oh my god, guys, it's so relaxing. Okay, let's take it out. Oh my goodness. Wow. This is the best slime. And guys, this is ginormous because I make so many, so good. Guys, I'm still gonna mix it though, because if it's too sticky, you use the camel paste more. Can I have some more? I don't know. Seriously, nothing. That's okay. Let's try this. If it has, I think it have. Okay, it drops some. Okay, it's dropping some. So let's mix it. And guys, this is very simple. You can make it at home. You can use one glue if you wish, not 15 or so. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna use my spoon if you're on the table also. Okay, it's working. It's turning into slime. It's turning into slime. It's not sticky anymore, guys. Oh my god, guys, it's so relaxing. And it's so relaxing. So guys, the color is like I thought. It's a bit like greeny. I don't like green, but it's gross. It's like so bad color for me. I hate it. Oh my god. But guys, some of you like green, so non offense. Non offense means like don't think it a bad way. Oh no, guys, it's so. So this is it for the video. I hope you enjoy this video. And look, so big slime. I really love this slime. It's so great slime. Don't forget to share it with your friends and like and comment down below. Was this slime easy to make? If it's hard, then I don't know what to say. But if it's easy, then it's easy. You can try this at home. It's really simple. I'm just repeating the words. I'm so sorry. So don't forget to ring the bell so that you'll be notified every time I post something new. And thank you for watching my video. And bye. I hope you like it. Bye.